Hey there, today I have this 2-pack of raised beds that were sent over to me from the brand. They are 1 foot deep by 2 feet across, and right here is the finished product. When you open the box, you are going to find the instructions, the disassembled raised beds, along with a bag of screws and nuts, a small screwdriver, and this wrench. It also comes with a pair of gloves if needed, so you don't need any additional tools to put these together if you don't want to. To put this together, I just took the screws and nuts, putting them together for each panel, and went around and made everything hand tight. Then I went back through and tightened everything down once it was done. I did find that using a drill as opposed to hand tightening made things just a little bit quicker, and each one comes together in just under 10 minutes. Once these were together, I put a little bit of packing paper below since there is no bottom to this, just to give the dirt something to rest on, as well as put a little bit of a barrier for any weeds that might try to come up for the next little bit. Then I simply planted my basil where I wanted it. These went together super quick and are the perfect size for something like these herbs or flowers, or maybe even if you just had one tomato plant in each one, or pepper plants. If you are looking for some raised beds to add a little bit to your yard, then I hope this video helps you decide on if these are a good product for you.